Hashtag. Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. I know we haven't made videos in a while, but we're at it again, right, Stace?
We're at it again. I'm staring at myself. Are you?
No.
Alright, so we are back, and we are back with dun dun dun
SnackCrate.
This month's SnackCrate is Germany. And we haven't really gone through what it is. We kind of went through it, I'm not gonna lie.
But we were gonna try it on camera, so we haven't tried anything, as you can see. I'm not gonna go like this because everything's gonna fall out.
Like last time. Alright, so moving along. I don't want this to end up being a really, really long video.
And I have a plastic bag just in case if anything is really unpleasant and nasty.
So the very first snack that we're going to try today is going to be Nutella Hazelnut. Rich chocolate hazelnut filling sandwich between two light and crispy wafers.
Is it this one?
Nutella Hazelnut.
Nutella Hazelnut.
So this is what it looks like. It's falling. It is basically like crisp, like a waffle cone, and it has chocolate on the middle, and then the other bottom waffle cone.
Like an ice cream.
I'm gonna take the first bite because
she's a badass. Honestly, I didn't think it was all that.
It tastes like Ferrero Rocher in a bar.
It just tastes familiar to me.
So good though. Oh my god, no.
It is good, but it's not like, oh my gosh.
It's oh my gosh good. So you don't want it anymore?
You can have it. Badass. A new blocking classic. A new blocking classic.
I was trying to figure out how you read it.
A new classic. A salty puffed corn snack made with real peanuts. These are seriously addictive. I'm sorry if that was offensive, which I wasn't trying to be. Of course, I'll be the first one. You know those crackers that have peanut butter in them? Similar.
Ugh.
I don't really like them either.
I'm like,
finish the whole
story
bag.
of my life.
Finish. I mean, it had like a really bad aftertaste. I don't know.
Ooh.
I forgot to bring water too.
Oh yeah, Ritter Sport Mini Bunter Mix. Tasty mini chocolate bars in a variety of flavors. Something for everyone.
That's pretty good. Ew, I made a noise.
You always make eating noises.
No, I don't. Stop saying that. Why do you have to say that on camera?
I don't like it that much.
I like dark
Why does
chocolate.
it taste like licorice?
It does not taste like licorice. It's dark chocolate.
I like the dark chocolate, but the filling doesn't taste like coconuts. It tastes like almonds. Ooh! Oh my god. It's like a freaking Hostess cake. Is it good?
I know I'm licking my fingers, but it's okay. It's like I've had this before.
Thank you.
Just like, I feel like I've had something similar to that before.
So good.
You don't feel like you've had something similar to that before? I feel like I've had it.
But a million times better. Okay, next one. I want to do the Knoppers. Knoppers Hazelnut. I love hazelnut. My sister's slacking, so I'm going to pull it out myself.
What do you mean?
You're slacking. I want to do that.
So I was going to put the little German guy on my face.
It is Knoppers. Tasty nougat cream, roasted hazelnuts, and milk cream sandwich between two crispy wafers. Nougat, fun fact, is Darth's favorite candy.
Who?
Darth.
Who's that? Darth Vader? Like that?
She doesn't watch Stranger Things, obviously.
That's what it said?
No.
Oh.
I said that. And all of America said that when I said nougat. Or all of our viewers said that.
All our 20 viewers, thank
Or
you.
50. That smells.
I smelled it and
I
made
think
me
I'm
burp.
so done with chocolate for the moment.
I love
chocolated
chocolate
out.
though.
Me too, but there's so much. You try it first. Damn. Oh, it's too sweet. Way too sweet. Nope. That's way too sweet.
Crispy potato fries flavored with tomato catsup. Ketchup.
I don't like them that much.
Man. I'm kind of disappointed because there's a lot of things that I thought were going to be really bomb and they're not. I love tomato. But this is just weird. Vinegary tomato. I don't know.
Hello? Okay. I'll tell him. Tomato. He loves you too.
Stupid.
Anyways, let's do the corny big choco banana. What is it?
Yes, the castle wants you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
This is it.
You like my piece? I know I'm fat, but I'm not. Well.
It's not that bad. It has a weird aftertaste. Like a fake banana aftertaste. I dropped one. Yeah, I got tartar.
Feel it right here.
I like these. Marmar snack.
It looks good.
Küchenmeister. It's really good. But we're really full.
It's not really good. It's good. But
It's good. Next.
My feet.
Next.
Haribo Pico Bala. Bala.
Pico.
Bala. Haribo Pico Bala. Bala.
Why are you saying
Bala.
it like that? You know it's Germany, right?
Haribo Pica Bala. Bala. Bala.
Haribo bala bala. You say it like that.
Haribo Pico Bala.
Haribo
Bala.
bala bala. What color do you want? Yellow?
I want
Oh, I know you want
red.
the brown one.
Jerk.
You bit it?
You guys didn't see my face.
What is it? Oh, read the description.
Colorful fruit flavored gummy candies cut into bite-sized pieces. I'm sorry.
What is that?
It was really bad. Like
What's
so
the filling?
bad. I don't know, dude. Just throw it away.
It might be good tomorrow. I like it.
Probably that color. Give me that color.
Mm.
Because the color you gave me was nasty. I think that one was like lemon or something.
It tastes the same? Does it taste the same? It tastes the same?
Yeah, kind of. I don't know. It just doesn't
Oh no,
taste-
yours is like lemon.
But I don't like it.
I kind of like them.
Okay, well, I don't. Excuse me. We're not going to try it, but they're really good.
Those are amazing.
Yeah, we've had these before. So, buy these. If you want to try them, buy them. They're so good.
That's not sponsored at all. This is
Look.
the Cool Harlequin Pop. An extra large lollipop with a chewing gum core, sour grape filling, and coated with little candy bites.
Smells wonderful.
Smells good.
Oh, it's
But
like
you're
has
just
like nerds on it.
Did you eat it already?
No.
You licked it.
No, I didn't. I bit it.
Eat it.
I didn't like it. Stop being so weird. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you subscribe.
And as always,
bye.